Today I'm going to share with you my experience about shopping online at Walmart.com and ordering these food products. So let's jump right into it. Over the last couple of months I've found the need to work more on my everyday pantry and getting short-term stable food items such as canned goods and other items rather than bagging up beans and rice for long-term. Even a Harvest Right freeze dryer over here has kind of gone silent because I've put more emphasis on other areas of my preps. And recently I decided that I'd start shopping on Walmart.com because it's convenient, easy. I can do it from the comfort of my couch in the middle of the night, and the goods are delivered to my home within the next couple of days. Now I found that this was a pretty good experience so far. I've purchased things like Keystone canned meats, which are really hard to find. I have purchased some other items that have been hard to find in my local stores, but they're readily available on Walmart.com. So a couple of days ago, in an effort to plug some empty holes in my pantry, I went ahead to Walmart.com and started to shop for some canned goods. And it turned out to be a huge fail. Out of the 50 or so items that I purchased, they were delivered, and 16 of them were delivered severely damaged, to the point where I'm going to have to return them. Now, to be able to return these, I have to go to my local store to get the refund, and that wipes away any time savings or cost savings shopping from the convenience of my home. Will I do it again? Probably not. I'll just wait and go to my local store and just shop there, where I can pick the items off the shelf myself, except for those few items that are just never in my local store, but I can still readily find them online. I'll continue to buy those. Now, I did reach out to customer service, and they assured me that when items are picked off the shelf to ship to your home, that the cans are inspected and dented cans are not shipped. But one of the things I've noticed over the last several shipments that I've had is that sometimes my items are delivered by a local carrier and they're in a Walmart cardboard box, which has been nice, and I haven't had any trouble with those. Once, they were brought over by a private carrier that simply brought in grocery bags and left them at my doorsteps. All of these products that were delivered yesterday came in these large Walmart plastic bags, and again by a private carrier. This carrier happened to be named Carlos. And I watched him as he drove his private vehicle, and he pulled all these items out of the trunk and he brought them to my front door and set them down. But I think where the problem lies, some of these items are rather heavy, especially these larger cans. And when they pulled the items off the shelf, they probably just threw them into the bag, and these heavier cans is what damaged these smaller cans. Now, these are just 16 of the worst items. Some of my other cans had just a slight indentation or something, and I didn't feel that the can was compromised, and so I'm not going to return it to get a refund. I'll just hold on to those. But as you can see, all these cans had pretty severe dents, and even around the rim of many of these cans were severely damaged. And that can, to me, that's compromised, and that should not be in my pantry. You know, I do a lot of online shopping, and I rarely have trouble like this. But just recently, as I said, you know, I started shopping at Walmart, and this happened. So, yeah, I'm going to probably rethink whether I'm buying canned goods online for fear that they're going to show up like this. Hey, let me know your experience with Walmart.com and what you think. Should I continue shopping online for the convenience at risk that I end up with some cans like this? Or should I just try to pick and choose what I can from my local stores? I'd appreciate hearing your comments down below. Hey, and if you like this content, please take a moment to smash that like button down there for me. That really helps this channel to grow, and it's appreciated. I'm going to throw up a couple other videos right here. As always, when you click those, I'll see you over on the other side. Thanks for watching.